The Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker is designed to bring convenience and efficiency to your kitchen, office, or even outdoor gatherings. For your convenience, we recommend you to check the price in the description below. This ice maker delivers fast results, producing up to 34 pounds of chewable, nugget ice within a 24-hour period, making sure you and your guests will never run out of ice. The chewable nugget ice is softer and melts at an optimal speed, preserving the original flavors of your favorite drinks, from whiskey to cold beverages. Its low-noise operation ensures it won't disturb your environment while it works tirelessly to create the perfect ice. The transparent lid lets you monitor the ice-making process without having to open it, while the user-friendly one-click operation makes it incredibly simple to use. Simply press a button, and you're good to go, no complicated instructions needed. Plus, the machine includes a considerate ice scoop holder to keep everything organized and easy to access. When the water level is low or the ice basket is full, you'll be alerted by the indicator light, so you'll always know when it's time to refill or empty the basket. The self-cleaning function is an added bonus, allowing you to clean the ice maker easily by pressing the ICE/clean button for 5 seconds. The cleaning cycle lasts just 15 minutes and exits automatically, keeping the machine fresh and ready to go. This mini ice maker has a compact size, measuring just 8.66 inches in width, 11.3 inches in height, and 12.68 inches in depth, meaning it won't take up much space on your countertop. Despite its small footprint, it still offers a large capacity, making it an ideal solution for homes, offices, BBQs, or basement bars. It's also easy to store when not in use. Whether you're hosting a party or simply enjoying a chilled drink, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker will always have your back with its fast, reliable, and convenient ice production.